Hi class and welcome to my Lab 7.2 video. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how we could bypass a firewall to get to websites that might be restricted. For this we're going to use the ptunnel application, and what it's going to do is actually going to create an ICMP tunnel between a client and a server and send the HTTP traffic over ICMP so that we could hopefully bypass a firewall and get our traffic across to get to websites that we want to get to. For this I'm going to have my Kali box set up as a server. So let's go over to that right now. And we want to use a sudo ptunnel -v4. The -v is going to be verbosity of 4 so that we could see any logs, error logs that occur. So it's setting the debugging level. We can see here now the proxy is now listening. Now I'm going to go for my Kali box. Here we want to run the ptunnel command -p. This -p here is because we want to do a setup a proxy. The proxy address is going to be 10.10.10.4, which is my Kali box. On this client, we want to run a local proxy so that when it sees traffic to itself, it'll send it over the ICMP tunnel. So that's what this LP is for. Then we want to designate the site that we want to get to. In this case, Facebook. Okay, now it's sending packets. So now what we want to do is open up a web browser and go to a local host. Of 8080. And here we can see that it went to some sort of Facebook site. So I think things are working, but let's just check a traffic log on this server. Here we can see here that it received an incoming tunnel request, 10.10.10.5. It's starting a new session with 157, 240, 241, 35, 80. I'm assuming that's Facebook. And then it closed the remote peer once it gathers all the information. Okay. Just going back to the client side here. So you notice you don't get a full Facebook page. I'm assuming that's really just because, we're not getting all the pitches and reply backs from Facebook itself. When a web page loads, it has a lot of modules to load. So I'm really assuming that's why we're not getting the full page. So that's going to be it for this. Just a little opinion, in my opinion, that, this is an okay tool. I don't really think it's going to be that useful because, we can't get full pages back. So it's not like we're really getting the full website that we want to go to. Maybe for simpler websites, this might be more useful. But it does show the theory of how we could send ICMP traffic over, or HTTP traffic over an ICMP tunnel. Alrighty, so that's going to be about it for this lab. And I think that's it for the labs for this class. So hopefully everybody enjoyed it. And best of luck with your future endeavors. Bye-bye.